Hello student, please subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Allylic carbocations are more stable than tertiary carbocation. It can be asked in reasoning and assertion. I am giving you correct answer only. Allylic carbocation are more stable than tertiary carbocation. What is allylic carbocation? First of all, you should know this. CH2 double bond CH, CH2 one positive is allylic carbocation. Okay, so this carbocation, it is resonance stabilized because this pi electron delocalized and coming to here, and this positive charge coming over here, so we'll get two resonating forms. Okay, so this positive charge is delocalized between these carbons. That is why we will say that this is resonance stabilized. But in case of tertiary carbocation, see here, only this positive charge present in the only one carbon, although there are 9 hyperconjugating structure are possible and they stabilizes the tertiary carbocation, but it is less stable as compared to the resonance stabilized allylic carbocation, because resonance effect always overpower the this hyperconjugation effect. So which one is more stable? Allylic carbocation. The positive charge is delocalized over 2 terminal carbons. Okay, this delocalization stabilizes the carbocation, whereas in tertiary carbocation, the positive charge in a tertiary carbocation is located in the central carbon atom only, that is attached with 3 other alkyl group. Okay, so in this way you can easily understand why we are always saying that allylic carbocation are more stable than tertiary carbocation. Draw these structures. One is here, one phenyl ring, and this is tertiary carbocation. There are 2 methyl group. Here this is tertiary carbocation, 1 methyl and 2 phenyl ring is there. Here in case of D, there are 3 phenyl ring is there. Here no phenyl ring, only cyclohexyl ring. All these are 3-degree carbocation. Which is more stable? Rank them 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is most important, most stable. So this is having more resonance stabilization because positive charge is running over all these carbon, so there it is most stable. First is most stable with 3 phenyl ring, and second is this is second ranking, less stable than this D. So B is second ranking, and here this is third ranking. There will be no benzene ring, no resonance, so this will be fourth ranking. Okay, so more will be the number of benzene ring associated with this carbon, tertiary carbon will be the more stable. So this is more stable, 3 phenyl ring, 2 phenyl ring second ranking, 1 phenyl ring third ranking, and no phenyl ring, this will be fourth ranking. So most stable it is.